Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to introduce you to 11 AI tools or websites that I personally use and you probably didn't know existed. The best part is, they're all free. These AI tools can increase your work productivity by up to 10 times. I will provide links to all these AI tools in the description so that you can access them easily. So, without further ado, let's get started. In the first place, I have these 3 best and free AI tools named Loka AI, Logo Maker AI, and Microsoft Designer for creating high-quality logos like these. You simply have to describe your brand, choose your colors, and you will get a logo in seconds. In second place, I have these 4 AI tools named Melobytes, Beatbox, Music Gen, and Suno AI for creating music or a complete song just from text prompts. Creating videos has never been easier, but now I have 3 AI video generating tools named Capwing, FlexClip, and Stable Diffusion Video. These tools offer ready-made styles and even analyze viewer reactions.
Imagine someone peering intently at their laptop screen, fingers flying across the keyboard. This person is editing.
In fourth place, I have this AI tool named Docus AI. This AI can track your health metrics and give you personalized advice. If you want to write content quickly, here are 3 free AI tools: RYTR AI, Copy AI, and WriteSonic for AI copywriting, listed in 5th place. These tools can write, brainstorm, and even translate content for you. If you are seeking digital friends or assistants, then in 6th place, I have free AI chatbots for you. The names of these chatbots are Claude, POE.com, and Perplexity. These chatbots can provide customer service, automate tasks for you, give you every type of information you want, and help you troubleshoot. Bee of AI is the 7th ranked AI tool that assists you in creating free newsletters, enabling you to earn thousands of dollars from it. In 8th place, I have this AI tool named Pronounce HQ. You can check your grammar, pronunciation, and fluency whenever you speak. Its features include call and meeting recording, 16 speech bots, text voicing, error fixing, and real-life challenges. In 9th place, I have this free AI tool named SceneSplain. This is the best image captioning tool in 2024. This is why SceneSplain's large multimodal model is the future. Storytelling beyond captioning. User-friendly for all. Rapid batch processing via API. In 10th place, I have this AI tool named Vidnaz AI. It is an AI video generator similar to InVideo, DID, and HeyGen, but it is free. You can create free AI videos in minutes. It offers 70+ AI avatars, 100+ realistic AI voices, and 200+ templates. In the 11th and final segment of this video, I showcase generative AI tools. These tools enable you to create AI influencers, thumbnails, generate images, and more. The names of these AI tools are ClipDrop, Leonardo AI, and Adobe Firefly. So, these are all 11 types of AI tools that you can use related to work preferences, and they are all absolutely free. As I said before, I have provided the link to all of these AI tools in the description box below so that you can access them easily. That's all about it. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest free AI tools like these. See you next time.